Today, the arena of health is developing faster than ever. Millions of human beings flip to dietary supplements every 12 months to improve their properly being, construct electricity, boost strength, or assist average health. This speedy growth has turned the complement industry into a multi-billion greenback market. And if you've ever dreamed of constructing your own complement emblem, you're inside the proper region. In this video, we'll take you step by step through the whole thing you need to release a success complement company from the ground up. The first actual and most important step is selecting your niche. The complement area is big, ranging from fitness and protein powders, to immune boosters, weight reduction formulation, mind-enhancing nootropics, intestine fitness blends, and even Splendor supplements. Your process is to perceive precisely what kind of hassle you need your product to resolve. The more unique your area of interest is, the less complicated it becomes to stand out and succeed. Next comes marketplace research. Starting without research is like trying to hit a goal along with your eyes closed. You need to understand what types of dietary supplements human beings are buying, which merchandise are performing nicely, what rate degrees are aggressive, and the way main manufacturers package, deal, and gift their products. Most importantly, you ought to pick out the gaps, what customers are looking for that isn't to be had yet. Once you apprehend the demand, you can create a product human beings really want. The subsequent predominant decision you'll make is choosing the form of supplement you need to create. You have numerous options: tablets, powders, gummies, liquid supplements, or even equipped-to-drink beverages. If you're simply starting out, drugs have a tendency to be the maximum inexpensive and easiest to provide, while gummies and drinks are extra advanced but often have better marketplace enchantment. Choose the form that excellent suits your finances, your audience, and your product imaginative and prescient. Once you've chosen the product kind, it's time to create your components, arguably the maximum important stage. A robust method is constructed with great ingredients, scientific studies, and specific dosing. You can work with a professional formulator, or collaborate with a good manufacturer that already has proven, science-subsidized formulation. Always make sure your ingredients are nicely examined, safe, and powerful. Your system is the foundation of your brand's popularity. Now let's talk about production. To produce supplements, you'll need a producer that follows GMP, good manufacturing practices. This certification guarantees your product is created in a smooth, secure, and standardized environment. An accurate manufacturer will guide you via formula, production, trying out, packaging, and labeling. When starting out, it's smart to pick a manufacturer with low minimum order quantities so you can launch without a large upfront funding. After manufacturing comes one of the most effective components of your enterprise: your branding. Your packaging, emblem, hues, and label design create the first impact customers have of your product. Good branding builds consider, communicates great, and separates your complement from the masses of others sitting on the shelf. Make certain your visuals are easy, present-day, and professional, something that right away tells clients your product is worth buying. Next, you ought to cope with the criminal requirements. Every United States of America has rules for promoting supplements. However, inside the United States, your product must follow FDA pointers and GMP requirements. You need to also request a COA, Certificate of Analysis, out of your manufacturer. This file proves your product has been examined for purity, efficiency, and protection. Keeping your documentation smooth and transparent protects both your business and your clients. Once your product is ready, it's time to deliver it to the sector. That starts off evolved with building a great online save. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it smooth to create a stunning, expert website. Your website ought to consist of product photographs, aspect info, benefits, usage instructions, and patron critiques. A properly designed store builds belief and makes the buying process clean and simple. Now we flow into advertising, the engine that drives your logo's increase. Social media promotion, influencer partnerships, paid advertising, and email advertising all play a prime function in attracting customers. People today trust actual studies more than something else, so client evaluations, testimonials, and sincere comments can dramatically raise your credibility. Your marketing approach ought to recognition on constructing network, agree with, and lengthy-term relationships with your audience. As orders start coming in, you'll want a green transport and fulfillment plan. You can satisfy orders yourself, or you could depend upon offerings like Amazon FBA or third-party logistics facilities. Fast and dependable transport creates glad clients. Satisfied clients return, and returning customers are the inspiration of a thriving supplement brand. Then comes the moment every entrepreneur desires, approximately launch day. On launch day, share your tale, show off your product's advantages, and create pleasure around your brand. An effective launch approach offers your enterprise momentum and helps you secure your first wave of unswerving customers. Finally, we reach the maximum exciting part, scaling your business. As your logo grows, expand your product line, improve your packaging, enhance your website, and optimize your advertising. Consistency, quality, and patron consider will take you from a small startup to a powerful supplement emblem. If you observe those steps carefully, you'll soon see how a simple concept can turn into a worthwhile and a hit complement agency. Remember, success doesn't come from waiting. It comes from taking motion, mastering, developing, and transferring ahead. Your adventure starts now, and the destiny of your supplement logo is waiting with a view to construct it.
And that's how you start a successful supplement company, from idea to launch. With the right plan